How to create a professional profile picture for LinkedIn using AI. So first you want to open up your browser and head to lmarena.ai, and then you can use a prompt like this. Create a high resolution professional headshot of the reference image in a suit, and then it should look realistic and identical face details, exactly similar to the person in the picture. And then you should press the plus button here to upload an image, and then you can basically choose an image that you want to use, an image of you. And once you upload the image, you can simply send this prompt and agree to the terms and conditions, and it will start generating the images for you. And it just finished generating the images, and the left one looks very similar to the reference image. You can also ask it to adjust things in the image by simply choosing the picture A or B and then typing the prompt. You can also press edit here to reference the image that you want to edit, and then ask for the edits in the prompt, what you want to edit exactly. So probably change the color of the suit and stuff like that. And if you are happy with the image, you can simply click on the download button here to download it. And then you can proceed to upload it to LinkedIn or whatever you want to use the image. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.